keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
Today is Mother's Day, yay! And I'm wearing this lovely maroon dress and also my new gigs, these specs. Okay, so yeah, welcome to the vlog. So if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, which is down below. Hope you enjoy the video. If you're new here, you don't know, I am a new mom to a very handsome baby boy, bouncing baby boy, healthy baby boy, and this is my first Mother's Day, and this is how it went down.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel Ndinda. If you're new here, thank you so much for stumbling upon this video. But if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, thank you so much. I love you. This you already know. So welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be showing you how Mother's Day went down. And if you're new here, you probably don't know that I am a new mom to a bouncing baby boy. I thank God. And yeah, so karibu. Let's start this vlog. And also I'm wearing this lovely maroon dress and I have my new spectacles on, and this is how they look on me. Yeah, bye, enjoy the video. So my day started with me marinating the chicken, and the spices that I used were garlic powder, ginger, chilies, chicken masala, black pepper, coriander, cumin, and cardamom, and also honey and ketchup. So here is the kitchen that I'll be.
You're not ashamed of yourself
for dinner.
Are you not embarrassed?
For tonight's dinner, and this is the bowl that I'll be using to do this. So here are my spices, as I've mentioned them before, and I'll be using a teaspoon each, and I love this combination, and these are my go-to spices. I really love how they come together and flavor my meats. Yeah, so make sure you try it too. You won't be disappointed. I really love how this tastes. I even lack words. So my chicken, I've portioned my chicken. I've finished portioning my chicken. Sorry guys. So I'm adding in my spices. I've added in garlic powder already. I've added in ginger. This is chicken masala spice. Black pepper. Coriander. Cumin. And last but not least, cardamoms. And a tablespoon of honey. I also forgot to shoot. Okay, yeah, sorry. So I'm adding in the ketchup, and I'd say that this really flatters the chicken when it comes to flavoring. Sorry about the background noise. Somebody is doing laundry, sorry. So I'm mixing in to ensure that all the spices are well mixed with the chicken. Continue until you've made sure that all the pieces are soaked in all the spices, so that it all tastes the same. I massaged my chicken until I was convinced that it is well done. After this, I'll be placing my chicken in the fridge and let it there for marination. This really helps in ensuring that all the spices have been absorbed well. So meanwhile, I'll be taking my, let's say it was a made breakfast, because at this time it was around 11 a.m. and these are spring rolls, Oreo and Afia juice. Of course, I was sharing with my season love. So also, this is a snippet of my outfit of the day. I decided to do my makeup so that I could feel cute and take cute pictures. So this is what I went for: denim on denim, a denim crop top and jeans and a striped bralette. My wig of choice was this blonde one and some silver earrings, and also the makeup that I went for was nudish. I'm wearing this brown lipstick from Huda, and also that is just me goofing around. So I really love the progress that I've made when it comes to body and how I'm confident about how my body looks like now. So this is how I was. So one thing that I really need to mention is that I really was just eating. It was just one food, one snack after the other. But yeah, I really enjoyed all my treats. And for lunch, I had KFC, the street rice, there's 3 pieces, and also later on, I had my bazu burger. I really enjoyed. So this was my first time having this new burger that they introduced recently, and I must say that I really enjoyed it. It was so sweet. Yeah. So dinner is served. This is what we had for dinner. So we had the marinated chicken plus greens and ugali. Yeah, this is the highlight of the day. This beautiful cake, I really enjoyed it. It was so sweet. I loved the color and fresh juice too. So that's what we had for dinner. And to mention is that we really didn't even cut the cake at night. I was so full, I decided to eat it the next morning. So this is me enjoying the meal. It was so sweet. The chicken was no words can describe it. I look so serious, but I was really enjoying it. Also, I really wanted to have a fitting that was so comfortable for me, so I decided to change from the jeans to this maroon. So it's the same